Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to see a new poem. The title of the poem is Farmer's Friend. Farmer's Friend. Everyone has a friend. Everyone, often everyone has a friend. And who is the friend of farmers? Who is a friend of a farmer? Earthworm. Earthworm is the friend of the farmer. You can see a big earthworm here, right? This is a earthworm. You would have seen in the soil and in the decomposing materials. You would have seen these earthworms. These are very precious. In today's class, we are going to see about earthworm. Okay? Earthworm is a farmer's friend. So the title is Farmer's Friend. Why the title is Farmer's Friend? Because earthworm is very useful in agriculture. So it is called as Farmer's Friend. In this poem, we are going to see about earthworm. Often seen as filth. Read with me. Often seen as filth. Often means what? Often means always, frequently, or many times. Many times when we see earthworm, it is seen as a filth. What do you mean by filth? Filth means dirt. What do you mean by filth? Filth means dirt. Dirt. Filth means dirt. Often seen as filth. Many times the earthworm is seen as a dirt. When we see earthworm, our faces we will be so disgusting to see the earthworms because the shape it looks something ugly. So often we see as filth. Often we see as a dirt. Okay, but gives the soil good health. Even though the earthworm looks it appearance is very bad, but it helps the soil to have a good health. It provides nutrition to the soil, so the health of the soil is very good. The health of the soil is very good. Did you understand? The appearance of the earthworm looks like a dirt, but it helps the soil in providing nutrition, so the health of the soil is very good. Often seen as filth, but gives the soil good health. To reward the farmer with wealth. Reward means what? Reward means giving prize something, right? Giving prizes. It reward the farmer with wealth. It helps the farmer to increase his income. Wealth means what? Income, money. How it helps? The earthworm helps the soil to get nutrition, and when the soil is very nutrient, it gives us more crops, it gives us more benefit. Automatically the income of the farmer is increasing. So to reward the farmer with wealth. Did you understand? Often seen as filth, but gives the soil good health. To reward the farmer with wealth. The appearance of the earthworm is very disgusting. It looks like a dirt, but it helps the soil to gain its nutrition, to improve its nutrition, so the soil quality become very good. And when the soil quality is very good, it helps to grow the plants in a very good manner. The plants are very well flourished. So when the plants grow very well, in turn it helps the farmer with rise in income. So to reward the farmer with wealth. Often seen as filth, often means always. Filth means dirt, but gives the soil good health. To reward the farmer with wealth. Did you understand the meaning for the first three lines? Students, now let us move to the next three lines. I hope you understand the first three lines. Now read the next para. Plows the soil before farmer. Plows the soil before farmer. What do you mean by plowing? Plowing means till, right? But what is till? Have you ever heard the word till? What do you mean by tilling the land? Tilling means to what the learn to get it ready for planting. Before planting, before we plant the soil, before we plant the crops, we have to make ready the soil. We have to loosen the soil so it gets ready for cultivation. Okay, plowing means what? What do you mean by plowing? It is a process of loosening or turning the soil before sowing seed or planting. Before cultivating the plant or before cultivating the crops, we loosen the soil. Okay, the soil will be very hard and tight, so we have to loosen the soil. We have to make it ready for planting. This is called as ploughing. Plows means till the soil before former. Till the soil before former. The earthworm make the soil ready for cultivating before former make the soil ready for cultivating. Did you understand? Plows the soil before the former. Example, take it like this. If a farmer is planning to plough the soil, but when earthworm is in the soil, it will automatically plough the soil. Okay, it will automatically make the soil ready, because when earthworms move around the soil, it loosens the soil. Okay, it loosens the soil so that it gets good moisture, air in it, and helps the crops to grow. Okay, the earthworm moves around the soil and make the soil to get loosened. Okay, to get loosened so that it gets frequent air, it gets enough air in it. Okay, plows the soil before former. Before the former start ploughing, the earthworm start ploughing the soil. How it plows? It moves around the soil. For ploughing, the farmer needs a separate equipment, and equipment is used to plough the soil. Okay, and equipment is used to plough the soil. But what the earthworm is doing is it just moves around the soil and it plows. It does the job of ploughing. So the earthworm doesn't need any equipment to plough the soil. So the line is said as plows the soil before former. Before former, the earthworm plows the soil. How it plows the soil? It moves around the soil, turning the soil into soil into very soft, so that the air will enter in and it helps the crops to grow well. When the earthworms move through the soil, earthworms loosen and mix the nutrients in it. It divides the nutrition in the soil in an equal manner. Okay, when the earthworms moves around the soil, it divides the nutrition. It separates the nutrition to all soil. It divides the nutrients to all the soil, helping to aerate and drain it. Okay, aerate means what? Aerate means nothing but introducing air into the soil. Okay, this is called as aerate. Now you understand? Plows the soil before former. How the earthworm helps? The earthworm moves through the soil. The earthworm moves through the soil. This is soil, and the earthworm moves through the soil. It loosens the soil, mix it up, helping to aerate and drain it. Okay, this is called as plow. So plows the soil before former. Use not the chemicals to harm her. Nowadays, our farmers using chemical fertilizers. When chemical fertilizers is sprayed on the soil, it automatically kills the earthworms. So don't use chemicals to harm her. Here the poet is trying to say that don't use chemical fertilizers in your soil, because it kills the earthworm. If it kills the earthworm, what about humans then? Think about that. When we eat the cultivated foods, it will kill us too, but the process will be late. It is definitely a hazardous, a dangerous product, but we are not aware of that. So do not use the chemicals to harm her. Plows the soil before farmer. Use not the chemicals to harm her. Please prize our motherland's armor. What do you mean by armor? Armor, in many wars you would have seen soldiers wearing a shoot, right, a metal shoot to protect themselves from the enemy. So the motherlands wear an armor, a motherland wearing a shield called as earthworm to protect it, to protect its soil. So we should always praise the armor. Who is the armor of motherlands? Who is the armor of motherlands? Earthworm is the armor. Earthworm, the earth is wearing an armor called earthworm to protect it from all dangers, to tighten its soil, to divide its nutrition into to the all the soil. It earthworm helps. These are the process of earthworm. These are the benefits that we get from earthworm. So I hope you understood these 3 lines. Let I explain once again. Plows the soil before farmer. Plows means what? Tilling the soil before farmer. Before farmer tilling the land, the earthworm tills the land. How the earthworm tills the land? It moves around the soil. It moves around the soil. They loosen and mix the soil, helping to aerate and dividing the nutrition evenly to all the soil, distributing the nutrition of the soil evenly to all the soil. And we should not use the chemicals to harm her. Use not the chemicals to harm her. We should not use chemicals. We should not use chemical fertilizers to harm the earthworm. We should always praise our motherland's armor. It is called as motherland's armor. Why it is called as motherland's armor? Because earthworms helps to live on the planet simply eating and puffing, fluffing up, volatilizing and fertilizing the soil. Because it fertilizes soil. It fertilizes soil. In turn, the mother earth will be very flourishing. It will be very green. So we should always praise our motherland's armor. Students, I hope you understood these 2 paras. In the next class, I will explain the next 2 paras. I will give some questions for so that I will give some questions. You will give me the answer. Okay. Thank you, students.